Here's the information center. Kiowa National Grassland Mills Unit. Stay limit 14 days. The fire rules vary throughout the year. I didn't plan on having one, so I didn't look them up, but it's bear country. Bears may be dangerous. Do not feed bears. Stay on the roadways. Just normal stuff. Thing about this one, the top rim would have been cool, overlooking it, but that was full. Down here it says no vans, no trailers, 4-wheel drive only recommended. It's not too gnarly, it's not too bad. I mean, you could get down there in a 2-wheel drive anything, but it gets bumpy, it gets rough, it's very tight corners, close to rock cliffs. You'll see on the way up. I can't help but sit here and think about how many Indians back in the day sat on top of them rocks up there overlooking the white man pass through this little valley. How many cowboys had a scout up there looking for bandits, or bandits up there looking at the posse running for them. There's a lot of raw history in this area. Wild. Evidently there's a lot of buffalo out here too. I haven't seen anything yet. I've seen reviews saying it's not uncommon to wake up with buffalo standing outside your camp around here somewhere in the Kiowa grasslands. I've seen farm-raised buffalo, but I've never seen wild buffalo. I could see on a rainy day this looks like old dry mud right here. It might get slickery for a 2-wheel drive on a rainy day. I also learned the hard way real quick not to walk around in flip-flops out here. I had something buried deep in the bottom of my big toe. Seeing all this for the first time this morning too. It was dark when I came through last night. I mean, they do maintain the road for the most part. They got concrete bridge washouts over the gullies where the water goes over. Some spots have been filled in. When I came through, there were people camping on the side of the canyon over here, on the side of this road. That would have been a pretty sweet spot. Look at that view. That is spectacular. I don't know, I can't really zoom on here very much, but right there in the middle, there's an old house made out of rocks down there. And then I believe that's maybe Mill Creek that empties in the Canadian River, something like that. Don't quote me. That's a painting right there. Sometimes we just have to stop and thank God for moments like this. I could sit there all day, but I don't want to sit here too long and have someone come up on me. Oh, that was a little bigger than I thought it was. Here's another view of it. Looks like the river's frozen down there. That might be the Canadian River. I don't know. I should look that up when I get signal. There. Let's see what this There's an informational board right here. Oh, let's get out and see what this says. Oh. And the building down there was for storing fruit. Upward we go. Get back up here to the top and get to the cedar or pine trees. And you just get hit in the face with the smell of fresh pine. The air's so crisp, so clean. Yeah, these hairpin corners are, I'm assuming what they're saying, no trailers for. Because some of them are hairpin corner with a rock sticking out that'll get you. Took 19 minutes to drive up. That's what's stopping for a few minutes to admire and to read. But now I gotta find signal, do some research, make a couple calls, and I'll get back to you when I find something cool. Getting into some kind of canyon. I honestly don't know where I'm at. I am driving northwest in Arkansas, New Mexico, I know that. My actual route's south. Luckily, it's 52 degrees outside and I ain't gotta worry about snow yet. It looks a lot like Utah. There, however you say that. Driving down, gonna look for a campsite. Hopefully they're not all taken. It's well, the sun's gonna blow you out on that side, but mountains all around. It ought to be nice. Decided to find camp early tonight so I can cook some dinner. I'm starving, I haven't really had anything good in a while. Put you up here, see what we see. See if we come across anything cool. Or a new water mill, I got solar out there. Ground campfires. Looks like there's pull-offs and campsites all over out here, so I shouldn't have a problem. There's a big campground with picnic tables and whatnot right there. Toilets. ice removal, travel at your own risk. Oh, I do see some snow on the side over there. I haven't seen anybody out here yet. I take that back. I've seen one at the entrance. Like 7 miles back. I can't see that daggum thing. What you guys see is what I see. My windshield's dirty. Well, I see some wildlife over there, but no elk. It is a couple moo cows hiding in the woods there. Ooh. Towers on top of that peak. But this is good enough for me. I moved a little bit. I'm gonna have to deal with some wind, but that'll be all right. I think this will be worth a little bit of wind. I got this cheap pack of patio steaks I'm gonna cook. Eat on those the next couple days. Got olive oil, some seasoning. Just gonna sear them up, quick and easy like. Lay back and enjoy this. It's gonna be a spectacular sunset.